Hello everyone, it's me Sudeep from New Learners and this is the fourth part of multi-vendor e-commerce website series. If you are new in this channel, then make sure you have watched other video too. Okay, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, let's talk about what we have covered till now. We have already talked about overview of our project, how we will create it and what function we will cover. We have also covered how to install Laravel and connect database on it. We install basic packages for our Laravel project and create some basic table where we have migrate it on our database too. We also create some demo user data. Now let's talk about what we will be covering in this part. In this part, we will cover wireframe for our project. Also, you doesn't need to create it yourself. All the wireframe download link will be given in the description and comment section. Okay, now let's see wireframe for our customer. This will be the wireframe for our customer login page, and this is wireframe for our customer account page. All the download link is given in the description, so you doesn't need to create any wireframe. Don't worry for that. This is the wireframe for our product page, and this is for our cart page, and this is for our checkout page, and this is the wireframe for our vendor login page, and this is for active vendor panel page. There will be two panels for vendor, one for active and another for non-active. Where a new vendor create an account, it will be marked as non-active vendor. Then our admin can check vendor details and mark it as active or non-active. And this is the wireframe for our admin login page. And this is the wireframe for our admin panel page. For now, this wireframe are good to go. If you need more wireframe, then you can just comment down. Now let's see what we will be covering in our next video. In next video, we will cover UI design for our project. Based on a wireframe, we will provide you UI design too. To get notification about it, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. I will see you on next video.